everybody? So last time we left off with the Conquest, we adjusted the TPS and checked out the ISC, fixed a couple vacuum leaks, started up, and it seemed to, it idled really well.
Started up a lot easier too. Changed out plugs.
Oh, we changed out the plugs, distributor cap and rotor, and the AFRs were around 14-ish, which is a lot better than 12. So, but we didn't get to take it for a little spin around the block last time. So our goal today is to reroute the wires on the mass airflow. I have a autometer water temperature gauge to install, and then we're gonna try and put the fenders and the bumper back on and see if the problem with it dying on acceleration or after acceleration is fixed. And if that's fixed, turn it up. No, come on. This engine is professionally balanced and blueprinted. Everything was measured to precise measurements.
What, a piece of yarn and a tape measure?
Yep, exactly. Okay. But yeah, that's our goal for today. Basically, finish up this here list so I can make another one.
Dun, 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 dun.
That's all I really got to do. Yeah, there's some things that's not connected, but I don't remember what they go to, and probably I deleted it. So that's probably why I have extra connections.
We don't read them.
Yeah, so, all right. Well, first thing is getting that done. And then do the temperature gauge. I have to figure out where I'm going to put that. It's just going to be a temporary location because I got a piece of aluminum I'm going to use to make a new faceplate so I can fit all my new gauges in there. So, let's get to it. Alright, so I got the mass airflow wire rerouted going underneath, so cleaned that area up a little bit. And Randall is still working on the water temperature gauge, getting that all wired up. Yeah, so I guess I can start putting on the fenders. Or I wonder if I should put on the bumper first and then the fenders. Or does it matter?
Can you put on one and not the other? Like,
Yeah.
Is there a certain order they have to go in? I think the fenders, because does the front bumper cover holes on the side?
Yeah, and it slides in. Looks like those black brackets.
So yeah, you probably need to get the fenders on first. Guessing.
Yeah, I'm sure it's wrong, but
I usually am.
yeah. So since I got that done, I can go ahead and throw the fenders on. Maybe this will start looking like a car today. Alright, so it's kind of looking like a car again. I got the fenders on, kinda. These two bolts down here, when I was taking them off, they broke. So I have to drill those out. But yeah, Got both fenders on, so Randall's finishing up the water temp gauge. I'm not gonna worry about the bumper today. If we have enough time, I'd like to drive it and see if the if it works good and see if that oil leak comes back. I haven't driven it since our last video, but yeah, just need to. What do we got to do on the water temp gauge? Just
Hook the ground to the battery, and then your sensor element.
Yeah, so I gotta figure out which sensor we're gonna use. So I'm just putting it right here for right now, just temporary. Like I said, I'm gonna redo the faceplate in the instrument cluster, but I don't have a water temp gauge, and I kind of need that. All right, so all the wires are ran for the gauge. So this port right here on the thermostat housing, that was for, I think, the air conditioning shut off. Like if the car started overheating, it would shut off the AC. That wasn't hooked up before, so I put the temp sensor probe in there and see if that works. So we just got to put these eyes on and then start it up. is it doing that? Alright, took it on a good little rip, and it's still not happy, but the coolant temp is good. It was staying at about 180. It was still running rough, like it dies after acceleration still. So I'm not sure what that could be. If you guys got any ideas, let me know. Anyway, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Remember March 21st, if all the bugs are fixed, we're gonna have our little race at Darlington, so give us some ideas on some punishments and whatnot. The event link will be in the description, along with all of our other links.
Yes, check out sandrmotoring.com for some cool swag. The podcast is already up. The video for it will be Wednesday. If you can, go on your favorite podcast apps and leave us a good review. Help us out.
All right, we'll see you next week.
Thank you for watching.
Bye.